Hey there! Welcome to my channel. I'm Samya and today we are making some warm and delicious cinnamon rolls. Now let's be honest. We've all had them, we all love them, and in a few easy steps we'll learn how to make them. But first, here's a list of things we'll need. 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of warm milk, a half cup of butter, a half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. So let's get to it. In a large bowl, we're gonna add some milk. All of the milk. We're going to add in our half cup of melted butter. A half cup of powdered sugar. 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Now let's mix it all up. And our yeast mixture is almost ready. We're now gonna cover it up with a dry kitchen towel and we are going to leave it in a warmer part of our kitchen so the yeast can activate, and we'll show you when it's done.
The yeast has bloomed when your mixture looks like this.
So let's add in the flour now. You can use a whisk if you want, but do transfer to a wooden spoon once it begins to toughen. Now we have a fairly sticky dough, but don't worry, it'll start to come together once we knead it.
Like beignets, gently fold the dough. Don't overwork it. And there you have it. Form it into a ball and leave it to rest until it's double in size.
So this is the part where we're gonna make the filling, the real goodness of the cinnamon rolls. What we make here determines the overall flavor of the rolls. So we're gonna use 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of butter, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. All done. Our dough has more than doubled in size. Now we're just gonna give it a little bit of a square rectangular shape. Now that our dough is rolled out, let's fill in the filling. Now we're gonna fold it. We're gonna cut this much of our dough. Now I'm going to fold the cinnamon rolls in 2 different ways. The traditional, the rolls we know, and knotted buns. Now our dough has been rolled. Now there are 2 ways you could cut it. You could either cut it with a cutter or a knife, but I prefer to use a floss, a dental floss, because it helps cut it more evenly without pressing onto it, therefore not damaging the shape at all. So we're gonna take our floss, simply slide it under, and snap. Ta-da! Now, for the other cinnamon folding we have to do, we're just gonna tri-fold the dough. We've got a square shape here. We're gonna cut it up into 3 different parts. Now once we've got our 3 cuts, we're going to cut them up into 3 further parts, but not all the way through. Once you have your 3 cuts, we're just going to start braiding it now. And then we're going to fold. Our cinnamon rolls are all lined up. Be sure to leave some space between the rolls because they are going to expand. So while our cinnamon rolls happily bake in the oven, we're gonna make the frosting. We're gonna need 1 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. softened butter. And our frosting is ready. And there you have it, 2 stunning looking cinnamon rolls, and honestly, I can't even wait anymore. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time.